Today, we're touring one of the nicest resort rooms we've ever stayed in, a Preferred Club Junior Suite Oceanfront King room at Secrets Moxché.
In our last video, we shared a full walkthrough tour of the resort, complete with its 7 pools and 10 restaurants. But in case you're new here, we're Andy and Jenna, better known as a couple travelers.
We've spent the last 5 years exploring the world, covering everything across theme parks, cruises, and resorts.
We're going to start the room tour outside today because why would you not with a view like this? We've just been at Secrets Moxché for a couple of hours now and I'm just loving this view and very excited to show you around this room. But starting off, we have a wonderful balcony, as you can see. Jacuzzi, or not a soaking tub, it's a jacuzzi.
Definitely room for 2 in there.
So jacuzzi on the balcony and then a nice patio table and chairs set as well. Jenna already said that we're gonna have to do a sunrise breakfast out here because you do get 24-hour complimentary room service no matter what level room you stay in at Secrets, so we're going to take advantage of that for sure. And this is east. You can actually see straight out there, you can see Cozumel. So I just love that part of this resort, just kind of getting to see an island where we actually took one of our first trips together. We went on a cruise on Harmony of the Sea, so it's nice to be looking at that island. But
you can see several cruise ships right now, which is pretty fun. But this is actually a corner balcony, which is really nice. So we don't just have the, the beach and the ocean in front of us. We also get a good look to the side or really the middle of the resort. This was room 2401. So building 2, 4th floor, 01 for the room number. And absolutely love this. You can see so much of the property from this room.
And if you want to see this resort in more detail, we already have a full walkthrough tour of the resort out on the channel now, so go check that out after this video and subscribe for many more Secrets Moxché videos coming soon.
And in case you're unfamiliar with Secrets in general, it's an adults only property and it isn't all inclusive. We do have a great video on the channel that goes through everything that is and isn't included in the price that you'll see on the website. So if you want to see that video, it'll be linked in the video description. But this is the room. We wanted to put a little asterisk here that we originally booked a Preferred Club Junior Suite Ocean View King, and they did very nicely upgrade us to Oceanfront King. So just wanted to be upfront and honest about that we did get a bit of a room upgrade on this trip, which was really nice since this was our baby moon trip.
So when you come in from the balcony, you have a very nice seating area here, sofa over there, and then 2 tables, an ottoman right here, and then a chair as well. So a nice place to just kind of hang out and have a cocktail or a coffee in the morning. And then on the opposite side, you have your mini bar. So if you know Secrets, you know the M&Ms and the Pringles. That's very nice. You have bottled water, you have your Nespresso machine, and then all of your accessories needed for coffee or tea or anything like that.
And the bottled water here specifically is to use with an espresso so that you don't use tap water since this is Mexico. So that specifically is why that is there. And then underneath, you're gonna have your fridge, which they stock daily. And you can leave a note if you need something else. If you say, don't give me regular Coke, I'll just take diet. I want extra waters. They're very good about that.
So we do have some waters, sodas, and some beers in there right now. Next to the mini bar is probably the largest mirror we've ever had in a resort room. I challenge any viewers to go back on the channel and show us a room that had a bigger mirror than that, but that is plenty for you to check your style before you go out to dinner or enjoy the entertainment at the resort.
And also the TV, which is right next to it, is also a very ginormous TV. I feel like Secrets, all of them have had a ginormous TV in the room.
Yeah, if you just watched the series before this, the Secret Playa Blanca series, that also had a very sizable TV in the room. So very nice to see that because we like sleeping with the TV on. Excuse our luggage, we just didn't have another spot to put it for now, but like I said, we just checked in here a little while ago. And then here is your king size bed. This is an adults-only all-inclusive resort, so very nice to have the king-size bed, nice headboard, pillows, and then here at the foot of the bed as well, since we are staying Preferred Club, we have the Secrets Resorts tote bag, which Jenna loves.
And notable to point out about the bed, they have reading lights on both sides. You obviously have nightstands, lamps, a phone, but then you also have a tablet here, which you can use to get all the necessary information that you need on the resort, to place room service orders, which you can also do on the app. So it's just kind of a nice extra in the room.
And they also shout out who your housekeeper is, so that's a nice touch there. In terms of outlets, you have 2 North American outlets, or I guess 1 because the lamp is plugged into 1, and then 2 USB-A outlets. And then you have controls here for some of the different lights in the room as well. And then here is your thermostat. So that is located right next to the nightstand here. This is a good size room too, actually. A lot of space in here.
It is very big. And I like how it's very distinct, like bedroom area, kind of lounge area, and then extras. You know, there's lots of places we could have breakfast.
Right, there really
or room
is.
service in this room, which is great.
And transitioning into the bathroom, you do have a sliding door here to, basically dictate what kind of privacy you want, which is nice.
I mean, no one's really gonna be able to see in, we're on the 4th floor, but I guess if you're in the dating stage and don't, or if you're here with like girlfriends and there's 3 girls in the room or something and you don't want people to see you showering.
But it also does let some natural light into the bathroom, which is kind of nice, but.
Because the bathroom is very dark. A very different vibe than if you watched our Akumal or Playa Blanca videos. This decor, this look of the whole resort, the rooms, the bathrooms is very different and I love it.
And if you want to hear our full thoughts on that, we will have a full review for Secrets Moxché coming to the channel soon, where we'll talk about our full experience here and give you the thoughts from the service to the vibe and everything in between. But this is the bathroom. Again, totally different vibe in here. Very dark, it's very nice though. As a perk for staying Preferred Club, you do have upgraded bath amenities in the bathroom, so you'll see that here as well as in the shower. Plenty of little accessories as well. You can see the bar soap there. You have a dental kit, a shave kit, a vanity kit. So plenty of amenities here in the bathroom.
Love how huge this bathroom is. And of course you got the double sinks, the double vanity, you got those upgraded Preferred Club perks. Underneath you have some extra towels. You have a scale, which hopefully people are just using that to weigh their luggage before they leave, since you are on vacation. And then there's a basket here with a hairdryer inside, which is always useful, and more towels over there. I always love that they have a giant mirror that lights up. Ladies always appreciate that.
And then more mirrors in the room.
And here. It's like a maze.
This is like a fun house of mirrors, yeah.
This is getting crazy. But they do have a separate shower and toilet area, which is nice. And this is a big shower.
It is.
It has all of the upgraded bath amenities. You have shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel.
And then you have the rainfall shower head.
And there's also a wand on the side. And I don't know why you need a telephone in here, but it's there.
One of the mysteries of Secrets Moxché. And you guessed it, another mirror. So coming out of the bathroom here, you have a nice mirror and bench in your closet area. And then heading to the left, this is the front door from where you would actually enter the room.
So right when you walk in, you kind of have a control area here. So when you leave in the morning, you should click that you want your room made up. Whenever you're in the room, I'd recommend having it on red for privacy. And then this is lighting. A lot of the times this is like what your housekeeper will use when they're setting the different, morning light after turn down service light. In this first closet, it is mostly empty for clothes. This is the secret box that they call it. So the great thing is if you have your room on privacy mode and you order room service, they're just gonna deliver everything in here, which is wonderful, so that, sometimes you're like in your robes, you just have ordered food, you don't wanna really like be face to face with people. So you're just gonna take your food from here, and when you're done, you'll put it back and you'll hit, come collect tray, which is great. And I would leave a couple of dollars in here when you order room service for the people who are delivering. And then you have your safe here. Pretty standard size. You could definitely fit a laptop in there and some other belongings. And then the rest, the other 3 are just empty drawers. So that is closet 1. In closet 2, we have some hangers, we have robes, we have 2 extra pillows up here. Then we have a luggage rack, which is helpful, an umbrella. These are slippers down here to go with the robes. And then lastly, we have a steamer for your clothes. So it seems that many of the Secrets do steamers versus ironing boards and irons, which I actually prefer steamers. So that's our room at Secrets Moxché. If you're interested in coming to a Secrets resort or really any all-inclusive, a theme park vacation or a cruise, I did want to mention I am a travel agent. It is completely free to work with a travel agent. So if you're interested in more information or a no obligation quote, I put my email address in the video description below.